Alright, look, I shuffle these cards. Maybe shuffle like this, and now I take 4 random cards. Maybe card number 1, maybe card number 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. It's really free 4 cards. And now snap my finger, now this 4 queen. This is card trick number 1. And now I shuffle these cards maybe like this, maybe like this. And now I cut 4 pile. Pile number 1, number 2, 3 and 4. I cut 4 pile. And now spectator takes this pile and shuffle like this. It's really to shuffle. Take this pile, shuffle like this. Why not take this pile, shuffle like this? It's really to shuffle. And now this pile, shuffle like this. Why not? Alright. So 4 pile, 4 queen. Please, spectator, name any queen. It's really free. Maybe your queen of spades. Look, diamonds, clubs, hearts. Queen of spades. Diamonds, hearts, clubs, queen of spades. I take this pile. Schmeck, peck, meck. Now snap my finger. Now this queen of spades. This queen of hearts. This queen of clubs. And now this queen of diamonds. And now snap my finger. Now this ace, this ace, this ace, and this ace. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable nice card trick. It's really nice production, it's really nice switch, it's really nice effects, it's really crazy card trick. It's really cool, it's really true. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. Maybe share this video your friend magician, why not? Because I teach you really foundation card magic. Look, king of hearts, boom, change 8 of hearts, boom, queen of diamonds, boom, queen of clubs, and now take this queen of clubs, look, queen of clubs, king of hearts, queen of hearts, king of diamonds. Alright, first trick you make a little setup. You take 4 queen and take 4 ace, alright? And now you take this 4 ace, spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds, putting her like this. And now you take this 4 queen, diamonds, clubs, hearts, spades, putting her like this. It's really easy setup. 4 queen and 4 ace. Alright. And next step you make any full shuffle, any full cut, maybe shuffle like this, and this pile drop it like this. Maybe you make a full shuffle like this. Why not? And now maybe you make a false truffle shuffle like this. Alright? It's really anywhere make full shuffle. Maybe you make full shuffle, maybe you make a full swing cut. Count little pile, make a break, and now make a full swing cut like this. It's really free. Alright? Look, you take this pile, make a really shuffle. Now this pile drop it like this. Of course you control it your cards. Alright, next step you take 4 queen. Look, you take this deck in your hand, make a swing cut, turn over this pile, take these cards. Turn over this pile, make swing cut, turn over, take these cards. Make swing cut, turn over, take, make swing cut, and this pile, of course this is ace, putting her like this. Of course this is 4 cards, this is 4 queen. I repeat, look, I shuffle these cards maybe like this. It's really normal deck. And now I take 4 random cards. Look, make a swing cut, turn over this pile, take 1 card. Turn over, make swing cut. Turn over, take these cards. Turn over, make swing cut. Turn over, take these cards. Turn over, swing cut. Turn over, take 1 card. This is 4 queen. And now you make a swing cut like this. You cover this queen, make a swing cut, and now this pile putting her like this. And now you take these 4 cards. Of course, this is 4 queen. It's really nice card production. It's really unbelievable switch. It's really nice. Alright. Alright, next step you make a full shuffle. Really anywhere full shuffle. Alright. And next step you cut 4 pile. This is pile number 1. Drop it like this. Pile number 2. Pile number 3, number 4. Of course, you're for ace here, alright? for ace here. So, the next step, spectator takes this pile and shuffle like this. Of course, you take this pile and shuffle, and of course you control this for aces top of the deck. Take this pile, shuffle like this, and drop it like this. And now spectator this pile, shuffle like this. Spectator shuffle this pile, spectator shuffle this pile. It's really true. Alright. And next step, you take this for queen, and spectator name any queen. Maybe hearts, maybe diamonds, maybe clubs, maybe diamonds. Alright. You take this queen and put in her like this. Diamonds. Squeeze, drop this queen like this, take this pile, show it for queen, and now turn over like this, and now you make a break this for queen like this, and move it like this, and save it your break for queen. I repeat, name any queen. Spades. Alright, it's really free. Yes, yes. Alright, look. For queen, turn over, move it like this, and make your break and save it your break for queen. Alright. Right, now you turn over this queen of spades, and next step you take this for queen like this. This is for queen. Of course you save it your break. You save it your break, turn over this queen of spades, take your right hand for queen, and now your left hand drop with these 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. And now your right hand drop with these cards like this, and turn over this queen like this, and drop with this pile like this. And now you squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Of course this is 3 aces, alright? Squeeze, take this pile, shake this pile like this, like this, like this. Snap your finger, and production for queen. Queen number 1, queen number 2, number 3, number 4. It's really nice card trick. It's really unbelievable. And next step, you snap your finger, and production ace, 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 and ace. It's really unbelievable production for aces and for queen. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.